Hey everyone, so guess what I'm going to be reviewing? This Charlotte Tilbury, and come on, stupid, focus, you horrid thing. Charlotte Tilbury, and this is her brand new palette called Easy Eye Palette from the Charlotte Darling look. So this is Charlotte's palette that was created for her in order to get the look that she gets, and here it is. So it is this sunset palette. Now, you know me, we're gonna swatch it on my face. So first of all, there is 5.4 grams of product in here. Let's just double check that. Yes, there is 5.4 grams of product. So let's start swatching. So we're gonna take the lightest shade first, and I'm gonna swatch that right here on my forehead. So something to remember, as I face forward to you now, it's gone dark. That's because it's out of light. So don't pay any attention. It's here. You can see that reflection, very natural. So next we're going to go on and use the middle shade. And this has that coppery kind of look to it. So that's really pretty. Next is the matte shade. And that's going to go right here in the center. That's a really nice shade. It's quite, excuse me, it's quite warm, but I really like that. I'm a big fan. Next, so we're building up with that copper now on a slightly deeper level. Now we've got two other matte shades to finish this off. That's a great, I mean, these are so easily wearable. And finally, this is kind of odd, right? So here is the final shade. And it's not odd in a bad way, but it's just odd in that it's peculiar, because this shade here, which is the end shade in this palette right there, it is the only one of them all that is truly cool toned. It's a very cool toned color, and all the rest are quite warm. So that's quite interesting. Now, in terms of wondering, well, what is the payoff like in terms of the other Charlotte Tilbury palettes? They're identical. There's no real difference in how the shades feel, other than the fact that there is no celestial shade here, which is the one you apply with your fingers, but the textures apply pretty much the same. In fact, the two matte shades actually apply, the three matte shades, I'm sorry, actually apply much nicer than in her other palettes, which apply beautifully anyway, but this tends to just apply a little bit more easy on the skin. It doesn't drag, and there's a nice amount of emollients to it that allows for blending. So, as with all Charlotte Tilbury products, I'll order some more. What can I say? I've got a problem. Just do, and I like it. See you next time. Bye-bye.